Bathroom gadgets you need or don't. If you hate puddles on your bathroom floor, avoid this and this, but consider this. Attach the splash guard to the end, secure the remaining hooks, and your shower liner will curve perfectly against the wall to prevent water from splashing outside. It's entirely invisible, won't poke holes, does not require adhesives, and won't slip out. So, is this something you need or don't?
Amazon Home Hack. Never scrub again and cut your cleaning time in half with this portable electric spin scrubber. It comes with 4 interchangeable brush heads to cover almost every surface of your home to include appliances, counters, sinks, stoves, and even windows. Each brush head easily removes stains, scum, and grime, and it's super fun to use. Amazon Bathroom Favorites. Save cabinet space and keep an entire pack of toilet paper rolls discreetly organized in your bathroom with this dispenser. The sloped interior automatically dispenses the next roll downward, and the narrow design allows you to put it into tight spaces. And the lid can double as a shelf. And this rental-friendly shower caddy holds 22 pounds of additional items and has teeth to hold shower accessories.
Kitchen gadgets you need or don't. This thaw claw has a suction cup and allows you to thaw meat underwater. This garbage bin hangs from your cabinet doors and allows you to dispose of food scraps. These silicone containers seal at the top and are ideal for reheating lunch and pouring liquids as well. These lids go on top of your pots and prevent water from boiling over. These non-stick bags fit into your toaster, can make grilled cheese and reheat leftover foods. This splatter guard unfolds onto your pan and prevents oil from making a mess. And this toaster can be flipped on its side and be turned into an oven that instantly heats to 400 degrees to make making dinner effortless. So, what do you think of these? Here are a few parenting must-haves. If your toddler always wants up, making it hard to complete tasks, this standing tower gets placed next to the counter and allows your little one to stand independently next to you and help out in the kitchen. This tag goes on your wiper and makes your baby sign stand out. This alarm goes on the handle and notifies you when your toddler walks out, and this last one you hopefully never have to use. It's an easy-to-use anti-choking device that provides a second option if the Heimlich fails. Bathroom gadgets you need or don't. This toilet seat that can be removed at the touch of a button for easy cleaning. This faucet adapter has a temperature sensor and lights up different colors based on the temperature of the water. This toilet brush that hides behind your tank and rotates outwards for easy access. These vanity lights that stick to the outside of the mirror to brighten your bathroom. And this shower head that also comes with a bar for a better shower experience.